Bullish and bearish divergences. I'm also going to go through the hidden bullish and bearish divergence here for you. But right now, I want to just show you just the normal, ordinary bullish and bearish divergences. This is for reversal ideas. So in other words, trend reversal ideas. So if we're going through an uptrend and we get a bearish divergence, it means we're going to see a downtrend. And obviously, once we're in a downtrend, when we see a bullish divergence, it means we're going to get a trend reversal from being a downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so here is a strong, medium, and weak divergence. The price, it shows you what the price will do, and the oscillator. Okay, at the moment, I'm going to show it to you on the RSI. You can use the MACD as well. Okay, let me make this smaller. So right now in Bitcoin, we can see a strong bullish divergence. Okay, as you can see, strong bullish divergence where the price makes a low and then a lower low, and the oscillator here, the RSI, makes a low and then a higher low. Okay, so over here you can see we made a low and a lower low, and here on the RSI we made a low and a higher low. Okay, so this is a strong bullish divergence. This is for trend reversal. So we should see an increase in Bitcoin's price. Let me show you where I get a bearish divergence. So here we have a strong bearish divergence. Okay, so I'm going to show you here where the price continues in an uptrend, but the RSI, or the oscillator, is showing a weakness in strength in the bars. Okay, so over here, you can see over here we have a high, and it keeps trending higher. But on the RSI, we have a high, and it's trending lower. This means we should have a trend reversal. So as you can see over here, we had this sideways motion for a while, and then it dipped. So it ended the upward trend. A medium bullish divergence is when the price is more or less the same at the bottom, but on the RSI, it's still traveling up. On the bearish side is when the tops are more or less the same height, but on the RSI, it's showing less strength. And then a very weak bullish divergence is when you see a lower low, and then the RSI is showing the same strength of sellers. And on the bearish divergence, you have the price which is going higher, but on the RSI, it's more or less the same. Okay, just remember that when you are looking at these reversal ideas with the bullish and the bearish divergence, you can only, if you are looking at bullish divergence, it means from a downtrend and you're taking it from the bottom. So now Bitcoin has moved downwards. So now we're going to take from the bottom of the candles to the bottom of the RSI. Okay. So it's when it's come down, then you can start looking for bullish divergence. But if you're at the top and you're looking to see if there's any bearish divergence, in other words, you want to see if there's going to be a trend reversal, then you have to take it from above the candle. So this line, you won't take it from the bottoms. You have to take it from the top of the line, and you'll take it from the top of the RSI lines. You won't do the top of this and then the bottom of this, for instance. The bearish you have to do from the tops, and the bullish you have trend reversals you have to do from the bottom. So once the market has come down, you can start looking for bullish divergence, and once the market's gone up, to see when it's going to do a trend reversal, you can look for the bearish reversals. You won't go looking here for a bearish reversal over here when it's at the bottom. You won't go, oh, look there, you know. So the way the RSI normally follows the market, okay, so you will see, like, for instance, here, you will see it's going down. And on the RSI, it's also going down. So when there is a difference between the RSI and the price of the coin, that's where you can go and check your cheat sheet. You can go look in the book that I provided you with, or you can just search for divergence on the Telegram group, and you'll find the pictures I've posted. And every now and then I just repost them whenever I see a bullish or bearish divergence. So you can go and look at the cheat sheet and see, okay, is it a medium? Is it very strong? Is it a weak? So at the moment for Bitcoin, we've seen a very strong bullish divergence. Now for hidden bullish or bearish divergence. hidden bullish divergence or bearish divergence comes for a continuation. Okay, so you're going to look for a continuation in the market and not a trend reversal. So when you see a hidden bullish or bearish divergence, you will look for a continuation of the bullish trend or the bearish trend. The bullish hidden divergence comes when the price hits a low and a higher low, but the RSI still goes lower. And then the bearish divergence is when the price is high and has a lower high, and then we see more strength coming from the RSI on the second wave. Okay, so over here, you can see we have a low and a higher low. See, a low and a higher low. And on the RSI, we have a high and a lower low over there, where this peak is. So over here, a hidden bullish divergence, meaning a continuation of your uptrend. So for instance, okay, here we have a downtrend, and now it's starting to make higher lows, right? And over here, it's a higher low, and it's starting to go on an uptrend. This means it's going to continue. It's a continuation of the bullish uptrend. Okay, so you can find it in the bottom. Just remember, if you're looking for bullish divergence, you have to look at the bottom of the price of the candle wicks and the bottom of the RSI. Okay, if you're looking for bearish, you will have to do the top of the candles and the top of the RSI. Okay, so this is what I posted the other day. I actually put it on the weekly chart, but you can see it on the daily as well. Okay, so a bearish divergence, as you can see from November, we've been in a downtrend. Okay, so we have here from this point to this point here, we have the price that has gone, didn't make a higher high, right? And on the RSI, that same point is over there, and the RSI has gone higher. There's been more strength in the market on this peak than it was over there. So this is a hidden bearish divergence.